Dear learners, welcome back to Research Methodology course. I am Lisna Jose, and in this video I am going to talk about first step in research process, that is define research problem. By the end of this video, you will get an idea about how to frame a research problem. The first question comes to your mind is, what is a problem? A problem means a question or an issue to be examined. Then, what is a research problem? A research problem refers to some kind of problem which a researcher experiences or observes in the context of either theoretical or practical situation. That means a research problem is one which requires the best solution to be found out by the researcher. Then what are the characteristics of a good research problem? The first one is that it should be or there should be a clarity and should not have scope for ambiguity. Then second one is every research should be guided by logic and reasoning. The researcher must be able to establish the relationship in a logical manner. Then third one is it is empirical. That means it should be verifiable by observation or experimentation. Moving to the fourth one, that means it should be able to establish the relationship between variables. The fifth one is it should be verifiable, and last one is it should be something interesting. Then moving to the criteria for selecting a research problem. The first one is that it should be based on researcher's interest. Second one is that it should be based on the competency of the researcher. The third one is resources of the research. That means every research is expensive and time consuming, so that the financial resources and time resources of the researcher influence the selection of the topic. Then fourth one is researchability. There should be a scope for researchability. Then fifth one is importance and urgency. Then sixth one is originality. That means the problem that we have selected must have novelty and originality. Then the seventh one is feasibility, and last one is the usefulness of the problem. Then what are the steps included in a formulation of research problem? The first one is that you have to state the problem in a general way. Then after that you need to start understanding the nature of the problem. Then after that you need to survey and examine the available literature on that particular topic. Then after that you can discuss your ideas with your colleagues or academician, and finally you can rephrase your research problem. Now you may think, from where I can get all these ideas or problem? That can be get through observation or your discussion with guide, committee members or colleagues, or through the reading or publications, or through library, internet, attending some conference or seminars, or draw inspiration from anywhere you can. Then one thing, before you finalize your research problem, try to find an answer to these questions. First one, is the topic relevant now? Second, does the topic suit your taste and interest? Third one, is sufficient research articles are available on the topic? Fourth one, who all are the respondents? Fifth one, can I approach them easily? Sixth one, is data collection is easy? Seventh one, Does it contribute significantly to the existing body of knowledge? And finally, is the probable findings is beneficial to the society? If answers are yes, now you can finalize and frame your research problem. All the best. Thank you.